everyone, I'm Chrissy and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be going through how to measure your craft resin. Just remember that if you're using a different brand, then how to measure your resin might work slightly differently. But today we're going to be going through how to work with craft resin. So first of all, let's see what we get in the box. This is a 1 litre box of craft resin, and then inside the box you will get a part A, which is your resin, your part B, which is your hardener. You'll also get a little booklet explaining how to use it, and you even get a set of gloves and this mixing stick. So the way craft resin works is that it is measured by volume. This means that you need equal part A to part B, and they're even labelled on the top to help you out, which is great. I'm going to be using these 2 pint cups to measure out my resin because I've got a big project to work on. You can use silicone ones or different type of ones. If you're a complete beginner, sometimes it helps to get the ones with the measurements on the side just to make sure that you get it absolutely exact, but these are the ones that I'm going to be using today. Just go on and pop some gloves on. Make sure that you use PPE when working with resin just to keep yourself safe. Also make sure that your surfaces are nice and level, as this will make a difference when measuring out your resin. I'm going to start with part A, and I'm just going to gently pour that into the cup. I'm going to go just about there. Then, because I've not got measurements on my cups, what I'm going to do is just get eye to eye level with it. I'm just going to start pouring B into it. Make sure you don't tilt the bottle too much, otherwise it will go in too quickly. And this way you can get it as level as you possibly can. So I can see I still need a little bit more to make it equal, and there we go. My camera I don't think is fully level, so I'll show you in a second so you can see. So what I do is I get eye to eye with it like this just to double check that it's fully level before I start mixing. After this step, what I like to do is pour one into the other. I've never noticed a difference if you do it either or way, whether that's part A into B or part B into A, so that bit doesn't matter. And what I make sure I do is when I pour one into the other, really scrape the sides down, get as much in as possible so that you do get equal amounts. And that's it. That's how you measure craft resin. If you'd like to see how to mix craft resin and how to get the best results doing this, watch our next video and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more. Other than that, I will see you in the next video, and happy crafting.